and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all in today's online class. This is Shahinur Begum, lecturer in Management Department of Milestone College. Today, I will start a chapter. This chapter name is Business Entrepreneurship. Previous class, I have discussed about what is business entrepreneurship. Hope that all of you know and you have learned what is business entrepreneurship. Business entrepreneurship means it is an initiative to develop a business with new ideas and thinking. Our today's topics is business functions of business entrepreneurship. First point is development of entrepreneurship thinking. Second one is number 2, testing feasibility and taking decision. Number 3, financing. Number 4, taking risks. Number 5, organizing resource. Number 6, creating market. Number 7, evaluation of success and failure. Now, I am discuss about this point. What is development of entrepreneurship thinking? What do you mean? Business entrepreneurship related to creative thinking. As you know that an entrepreneur is more interested to consider such a business that he can develop successfully rather than to see in which business others were doing well. Number 2, testing feasibility and taking decision. It is necessary to check and consider various advantages and disadvantages to see how much entrepreneurship thinking will be successful. Considering the new thinking as a project, the entrepreneur has to analyze and estimate potential investment. Number 3, financing. In any new business initiative, the issue of financing is very important. You know that financing is the lifeblood of business. An entrepreneur remains very enthusiastic and optimistic about the matter of his new thinking, but in most cases his financing capacity is limited. So he has to carefully consider when and what amount of money will be needed. Now, number 4, taking risks. Another important job of a business initiative is taking risks. Since in a business initiative, issues like new product, service method, market are kept in front for immediate consideration. High tension and concern previous over how far this will be effective and fruitful. So that why it is necessary for the entrepreneur to take much risk. Now, number 5, organizing resource. In order to render the business entrepreneurship successful, an entrepreneur, besides finance, need to collect or procure various materials like labor, equipment, raw materials, etc., and organize and coordinate them properly. In this case, he has to be very careful in hiring manpower. Any mistake committed once in this case would make it difficult to advance with mistake entrepreneurship. Besides, he will have to face problems later on in every step unless rules and methods are developed and practiced in this organization from the very beginning. Number 6, creating market. Creating market means basically the function of creating demand in a certain area in order to market some new product or service. An entrepreneur has to popularize the concerned product and service to be buyers. When a new business is launched, it becomes necessary to make the potential customers interested in that business. To develop trust and faith among the potential customers, it is necessary, alongside better product and service, to display better deadlines and behavior, determine price and consideration to the customers. Number 7, evaluation of success and failure. To make a business entrepreneurship successful, it becomes necessary to assess its success and failure at every stage of the project after it starts functioning. With being overwhelmed by the success achieved, an entrepreneur has to think about how to keep up with and maintain the success and go forward with the project. It becomes necessary to keep a watchful eye over the aspects from where problems might be created. So students, this is very important topics for you. You must read these topics and memorize functions of business entrepreneurship. And you have to make 10 MCQ, that means knowledge based question from these topics. Thank you all.